back to my channel. Today I'm back with a new video and it's a DIY about your ripped jeans. Now all of you have those simple jeans or the ripped jeans, boring ones at home. So I have a simple hack which can turn those boring jeans into a new fashionable and trendy ones. So without any much further ado, here I begin. Basically, these are the supplies that you need for this project. You would need an old pair of jeans. It would be better if it's ripped from somewhere. If it's not, it's okay otherwise as well. Then you need a lace just in case. Then you need the pearls of different sizes. Like I have two sizes. These are the ones that are small and these are the larger ones, and needle and thread just to sew them together. So yeah, these are the only basic requirements for this. And so let's get started. To begin with, you need to put all these pearls in a thread and make it kind of chain kind of a thing, so it'd be easy. Next, you need to measure it around the ripped hole of your jeans. Now it's better if you wear the jeans and take the measures because it gives you the flexible measures like after you'll wear it in the future. So yeah, then you need to just tuck in and get it stitched from the sides. To stitch it around the corners, just over and under, over and under. Okay guys, so this brings us to the end of the video. If you guys noticed, I have a lace at the bottom of my pants, for which I just cut a little part of my pants and I added a lace around it. That's it. And for the styling, I chose the white tank top and then I styled it with a white shirt I had. Yeah, so that's it. You can go for whatever style you like and style it your way. Okay, so that's it for today. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel. And until the next time, bye bye.